Growth occurs outside the comfort zone. You know this intellectually. But when we talk about growth, when we talk about wanting to grow and improve and become better, we don't realize cognitively that it's supposed to be uncomfortable. In fact, that by definition, growth necessitates discomfort. And what this means is that we start to grow, we think that it's going to be this wonderful, expansive, joyful time of, yeah, I'm progressing. But actually, it's painful, gritty, unpleasant, we don't want to be there, and it sucks, and we think that means we should stop. Actually, all of those sensations mean you're exactly where you're supposed to be. You don't get both. You can't have growth and a comfort. You don't get to do that. You have to choose. And if you choose comfort, that's fine. That's awesome. There's nothing wrong with that. The society pressures us to constantly be growing. We're never enough, and that's exhausting. So it's fine to not grow all the time. But if you want growth, you must stay for a concentrated and consistent, prolonged period of time of not being happy, of not enjoying things, of being in a pretty uncomfortable, miserable place. And that's where growth comes from. It's very straightforward. So don't try and grow a little bit and push yourself a tiny bit until it starts to suck, and then pull back and go, well, I wonder why I'm not making any progress. No, you must stay consistently in a place of discomfort, pushing, hating it, maybe. That's kind of an addictive pain. It's the same sort of pain that, when you go to the gym and you push yourself, it hurts. It's very painful, but over time you begin to associate that with growth and progress, and so you begin to enjoy it. Existentially, it's a similar thing. Existentially, we may be feeling a pain or a dissatisfaction with our life because we're pushing for growth in some area, and that hurts and we sacrifice, but a part of us can start to enjoy it, can find that particular brand of pain over time to become enjoyable and pleasurable. And that's what enjoying growth feels like. Enjoying growth feels like being able to perceive a particular type of discomfort as a pleasurable thing. But make no mistakes, it's discomfort first, and that's okay. It's the other thing we need to recalibrate. We need to recalibrate this idea that discomfort is bad. It's not. It's contextually bad. If I'm sitting in my chair trying to be happy and unwind after a busy day and I'm uncomfortable, if I'm in discomfort, well, that sucks. But if I'm pushing myself every day and there's discomfort there, good. That shouldn't bother us. We should proceed. Not even in spite of that, but because of that. There's a few elements throughout this video that are useful for you, and you may understand these, you may know these already, you may have applied these already and grown significantly. And you may not. And if you're the latter, then I hope truly that this video has some nuggets that are useful for you. Let me know if that's true in the comments below. Thank you for your time in this video. If you enjoyed this, hit like, hit subscribe, because I do make a new video every single day. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one.